Join Mote Marine Laboratory as a citizen scientist and play an active role in protecting and restoring one of our planet's most vital ecosystems, the coral reef. This unique program offers you the chance to step into the world of marine science and conservation, gaining hands-on experience that takes you through every stage of a coral's journey, from fragmentation in the lab to outplanting in the reef. The day will begin with an immersive educational experience at a Mote Coral Restoration Facility, where participants will learn directly from Mote scientists about the urgent challenges surrounding coral reefs and the innovative solutions being developed to restore them. As a citizen scientist, you'll take part in microfragmentation, one of the fastest, most effective tools that we have to combat coral loss. Every fragment created can grow up to 50 times faster than corals in the wild, which means your contribution makes a difference immediately. After a morning spent working side by side with Mote researchers, your adventure continues underwater. Depending on the season, you'll either take part in restoring the Florida Reef Tract by outplanting nursery-grown corals, or dive into one of Mote's expansive underwater nurseries to help care for the corals growing there. Under guidance from expert Mote staff, you will aid in transplanting corals that have been carefully cultivated in our nurseries onto the reef where they are urgently needed. Each coral that you help transplant contributes directly to rebuilding biodiversity, strengthening reef resilience, and restoring a habitat that supports thousands of marine species. Spanning the Florida Keys, Mote's underwater coral nurseries are growing at a scale that calls for dedicated care and attention. During your dive, you'll witness this incredible underwater forest firsthand, helping to clean, maintain, and nurture the structures that give these corals the best possible start. By the end of the day, you'll find you didn't just learn about coral restoration, you've actively advanced it, gaining valuable insight into coral reef science while enjoying a fun, rewarding experience that makes a real difference in protecting our oceans for generations to come. This is more than just a dive, it's an opportunity to become part of the solution and join Mote's mission to restore the reef. Dive in with us at Mote Marine Laboratory and be part of Florida's reef recovery. Sign up today, the reef needs you.